Dear students, in this unit, we will talk about the practical uses of fungi. Now, fungi play a very important role in the maintenance of different components of biospheres. Now, many fungi, they are opportunistic heterotrophs, or they are decomposers, or they are recyclers of organic substances, especially those of plant origin. They are important decomposers because they have special kind of enzymes which help in the decomposition of cellulose and lignin of plant cell walls. Now, when we talk about the practical uses of fungi, they are very important in providing ecosystem with these inorganic nutrients responsible for the plant growth through decomposition and different cycles. Now, they also have the ability to form symbiotic relationships with the plants, algae, as well as animals. Other than this one, they have extremely important role in maintaining the natural ecosystem and in the agriculture, in providing basic nutrients to the higher plants and act as the absorber of inorganic nutrients for those plants. Other than this, they are used in many industrial processes such as fermentation of alcohol, preparations of enzymes, cheese productions, and many other commercially important substances. Now, a type of fungi, mushrooms, they are very important part of the diet of humans. Other than that, yeast, they also have important role in the food productions. Other than this one, there are many species of yeast which act as a source of antibiotics, which helps to prevent the humans from the bacterial infections. Now, kind of fungi known as the Saccharomyces cerevisiae, it is used to study the mechanism of action of antifungal drugs and how to get the resistance from these drugs. So they have important role in the study of this mechanism of antifungal drugs. When we talk about the penicillin, this is one of the first and very important antibiotics which was discovered for the first time. It is also one of the effective antibiotics. Other than penicillin, we have cephalosporin antibiotics. These are produced by a special kind of fungi known as the cephalosporium. And then we have statin. Statin is a chemical which is used to lower blood cholesterol level. These are also obtained from the fungi. Then we have cyclosporin, which is a chemical used to suppress the immune system when patients receive organ transplants. When we talk about the yeast or the Saccharomyces cerevisiae, it is the first eukaryotes whose whole genome has been sequenced, with about 6,000 genes are present in this one. And this is the smallest genome of any eukaryotic model organisms. Biologists have also used Ascomycetes, Aspergillus as an opportunistic pathogens of humans, and it helps in the study of process of mitosis and other cell processes. So in general, we can say that these fungi, they have very useful practical applications when it comes to the different aspects of this ecosystem.